In the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship, the quest for passive income has become a central focus for many business owners. In this video, we'll explore the top strategies for entrepreneurs to earn passive income through the strategic integration of AI in 2024. AI-powered e-commerce optimization. For entrepreneurs involved in e-commerce, leveraging AI to optimize online stores can significantly boost passive income. Implement AI-driven recommendation engines, personalized marketing, and predictive analytics to enhance the overall customer experience. AI can analyze user behavior, predict purchasing patterns, and recommend products, ultimately increasing sales and generating passive income. Affiliate marketing with AI. AI can revolutionize affiliate marketing by automating various tasks, such as content creation, audience targeting, and campaign optimization. Entrepreneurs can use AI tools to identify high-converting affiliate products, create engaging content, and analyze performance data. This hands-off approach allows for passive income generation as the AI system continually refines strategies based on real-time data. AI-enhanced content monetization. Content creators can harness the power of AI to optimize their revenue streams. AI tools can analyze audience preferences, predict trending topics, and automate content creation processes. Additionally, entrepreneurs can utilize AI-driven ad platforms that match relevant ads to their content, maximizing revenue through passive monetization. Investing with AI algorithms. Entrepreneurs can explore passive income opportunities in the financial sector by leveraging AI algorithms for investment strategies. AI-driven robo-advisors can automatically manage investment portfolios, making data-driven decisions based on market trends and risk analysis. This approach allows entrepreneurs to generate passive income through strategic and automated investment practices. Real estate investment with AI. AI technologies can revolutionize the real estate sector, providing entrepreneurs with opportunities for passive income through smart property investment. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, predict property value changes, and identify lucrative investment opportunities. Automate property management tasks using AI, from tenant communication to maintenance scheduling, to streamline operations and generate passive income. AI-powered membership sites. Entrepreneurs can create membership sites with AI-enhanced features to generate passive income. Use AI algorithms to personalize user experiences, recommend exclusive content, and automate subscription management. AI can predict member preferences, improving engagement and retention, ultimately leading to a steady stream of passive income. Automated dropshipping with AI. Integrate AI into the dropshipping model to streamline order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer service. AI algorithms can optimize product listings, analyze market demand, and automate the entire supply chain process. This allows entrepreneurs to earn passive income by focusing on marketing and strategy while AI handles the operational aspects of the business. In 2024, entrepreneurs have a plethora of opportunities to earn passive income by strategically incorporating AI into their business models. By staying informed about the latest AI advancements and creatively implementing these technologies, entrepreneurs can unlock the potential for sustained passive income streams in the evolving landscape of business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.